Howdy, folks. Believe it or not, that is an Antares Parva. Or, or it's most of one. I needed to do some cleanup on this thing because the guy I got it, well, I mean, whoever I got it from, it had accumulated quite a bit of dust and eraser shavings and a little bit of oil and some grease. Yay, grease. My favorite thing. I had decided to go ahead and pull the platen and the paper tray on there to be able to get at the escapement a little bit better. And figured I'd do a little video to show you the escapement and the silent return clip on this thing, because they're kind of unique. And it's a pain in the ass to get to. So, you know, I don't recommend trying to do it. The escapement itself is pretty simple. It's pretty similar to several other designs. It's got a basic back and forth. You got your dogs right over here. There's your standing dog. There's your running dog. And your silent return clip, it's this big dude right here, which it acts on this one. And it rockers up against this post here. Look at there. That's pretty darn cool. It's amazing what Antares was able to do with such a sparse machine. They kept their design pretty minimal. There's not a whole lot that can go wrong on these. And they're built like tanks. I mean, look at the frame on this thing. It's a beast. Look at that forward segment. So huge. It's got 4 individual rods going through there for all of your 4 banks here. Pretty snazzy little design, if you ask me. I love them. That's why I was going through the trouble to clean this thing up, because, man, I want to use it. I enjoyed this machine quite a bit, even when it was dirty. I can't wait for it to be clean. And when I'm done with it, it's going to be spotless. Anyway, there you go. Antares Parva. With the crazy funky giant silent return clip escapement. Later.